Olis, welcome back to my channel. That last migraine I had almost took me out. Like, I literally couldn't do any cleaning around the house. So now we're here, but we're going to be doing loads of laundry, cleaning the bathroom, and organizing the kitchen. I feel like another form of therapy and relaxation is actually cleaning and seeing no mess in sight. You can clearly see in my room the huge pile of clothing I have on my bugle chair. That's clean clothes that I haven't even put away, but I didn't have the energy to do any of this. And that's perfectly fine. Like, I'm literally a girl. My life is not perfect every single day. Like, sometimes we get into our heads and we believe that our life should look a certain way, but that's not true. Like, it's perfectly fine for you to also be okay with seeing a mess sometimes. And I think that's the beauty of life, that not every day is perfect. So, welcome to Living Alone series. Half the time we are neat and half the time we are messy, but we make sure to keep going every day. Load 1 is finally in the washer. We're going straight into cleaning the bathroom now. I don't plan to do the voiceover the entire video, so I'm going to let you guys watch me clean and de-stress, and I'm gonna play some tunes for you guys, so bye.
Right next to the narrow, but I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra, and since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop in Harlem, all of my Dominicanos right there up on Broadway. Pulled me back to that McDonald's, took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like the Simmons whipping pastry, cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus, driving so slow with BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out there Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my ties, sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me high five. Nigga, I be spiked out, I could trip a referee. Tell by my attitude that I most definitely
Taking trips, come back 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just tell myself to keep playing this, record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on the scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the quarterback. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause the house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on the scene, think you know your blood's so funny to me. That's why you think I left my one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say your name. Nothing to you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the quarterback. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause the house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you wasting my time.
it took to get for you. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got ways too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down.
see if we find the accent label. They don't have it in there. Well, they don't have it. I could have sworn I saw it in the lid. Why are one of my hairs in here? So there's just gonna be one without a label until I get one. Gonna use a funnel. Okay, so my plan is to fit it all in here. Let me show you guys the space. We're gonna try to fit it all in this space. Let's see if it works. Those are the shelves, the stands. I don't know what to call them. Quickly dust that part. I'm gonna do a particular order. Short one. I can't believe I'm doing this now. Like, should have did this months ago. Definitely gonna have to reorganize this too. So we have a no label one, we have an empty one that we have to refill, and then we have two that don't fit. Maybe I can use this for something else up there when I decide to fix the pantry. So I'm not doing it right now. I'm just cleaning the area, this mess away, and then I'm just gonna finish cleaning the top of this kitchen. I'm so excited to try this hot honey. Have you guys tried hot honey before? I'm new to that. I love spicy things though, so I know I'm gonna like it. So let's just put it on. My other honey is back there. This is a sweet and spicy chili sauce. I should have gotten the regular chili one, I think. That's gonna go where I have all the snacks. Let me just see if something else has to go in here. Yes, these are more seasonings that I have to put in jars. But this is gonna go where I have all my seasonings. Where I have other seasonings that are not in dry brown sugar. Oh god. Put it up here. So let me attempt to fix my snack section by taking stuff out that are probably expired and that I just don't want anymore. That chocolate granola is actually nasty. I didn't like it. I wish I had like a little basket or something where I could just toss the miscellaneous candy. That. Like some things are just better out of their packaging box because it takes up so much space. But first, I feel like I have to get the bulky stuff out the way. Alright, let me just see how I'm gonna make this fit in there. It's not a lot of stuff. It's just small stuff that are open. I'm gonna put some stuff and then maybe right there. And then I'll just start putting the cookies. These Jell-O packets, I'm putting them up there because I don't use that yet. I'm literally looking up some recipes on how I can customize these. I will tell you this, I have to start baking because I have about 3 baking things that I haven't even done. Put these there. These are water mixers, but I'm planning to make like custom drinks with these. Like those girl drinks. This is actually gross. I don't like it. These are more fruit snacks. I kind of want to take these off the box. Takes up so much space. There. And then these goldfish. I'm gonna put that in the jar. I count the times I go up this cabinet. It counts as my exercise of the day. Now let's attempt to rearrange the chips and cereal section. The pretzel. Still not done with this kitchen, and it's been like more than 20 minutes. I just have a mess on the floor of pretzels. Put the ginger ales. because hydration matters.
Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking about shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a and girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, but girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, baby? I grew up with Dre and Faith. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. He in New York State trying to block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I don't need 5 with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, where we both from. Hey, and you just got to Miami, need hotel rooms. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot in 42, cause you, hey, you throwing on that dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you done been through. Yeah, texting me and say I need to see you. I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Hey, man, just dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit you done been through. Yeah, say that you a leaving, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls, yeah. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from.
My girl got a girlfriend. They tryna be out of shape. What's up on them curls? In the gym, I'm working surgery. I'll pay for that, my courtesy. Can imagine no curving me. I put in that work overly. I handle business, and I got 2 pretty. Keep them up on fleek. They got matching beans and matching APs. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool with all the owners. They love me. So they gon' let us in and bring all of your peers to look better with more people. We got 1942 Casamigos just getting hit. They gotta follow us in the Uber. My car feel no way through the city. Lights, camera, action when you with us. It's a movie. I don't try my cool. The house parties. I'm tryna leave with you. Don't nobody know that we do. She like he ain't pretty. I'm like me too. I can't wait to get out work. You going to see you. Please bring your girlfriend along with you. Coming on my mind too much. Like what the f is wrong with me? She said it's something about the way your girl just makes her feel. Whatever you been dreaming about, I swear to make it real. Run around the town with me, then come lay down.
I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a and girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, hey, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. But I know you wanna roll with gang, and I know you wanna find a thing. Asking me about settling down, but you know that things going my way. Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Make a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn. How many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad and them pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, jokes, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey,
baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like bless me. hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Make a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice over y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Hate the way they paint it. I love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just let on talk, but it bothers me. 'Cause it ain't love, it ain't love, it ain't love they see. But it ain't not to discuss, 'cause it is to me. And so what? I bet you fell in love a couple times. Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall?
Is it a crime? Call it a crime, no. 'Cause if knowing is a job, then you're my prisoner. So let me throw away this key, 'cause you won't give me up. Let 'em know we don't give a fuck. All they want is to see us break it up. If I search the 7 seas and never find love, a heart like mine, better yet can forget my mind. Some might say a girl shouldn't lay her cards on the table, but I'm a woman, I'm not a girl. Is that a crime in this cruel world?
And so what? I bet you fell in love a couple times. Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? What's it to you? Is it a crime? So what? I bet you fell in love a couple times. Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's it to you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times?
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I know that's the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your blood's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of you, shit, you almost threw my eye. Don't say, you'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause my house is not a home with no one there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is be. That's why you think I left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Don't say I'm mad. Nothing from you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the good bed. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home with no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you got? Giving so much of yourself, it seems the only way. Tell me what you want and got, and I will give it to you. 'Cause you are my love.
Saga feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in the strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Caught up, that's just how a nigga brought up. Blow ones for your leany ass niggas. Drink bells for your toonie ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like an ounce. Right quick. Tight jeans on, so you feel my shit. Tell me something good, baby. Tell me something good, shout. Come bring it to the hood, baby. Bring it back to the hood, shout. If you saga feel like in the nighttime, bust it up for shorty when the light shine. Still fucking with your dream ass, nigga. I know you wanna break from your bottom. Just say, don't know, girl.
honestly, I'm gonna get ready to. I need some therapy, and you guys are gonna see exactly the therapy I'm talking about. So we're just gonna ignore the mess we have here right now. Tomorrow we're just gonna put away all the laundry that we did. Everything that is here is literally stuff that we washed. I folded, and now it's just ready to get put away. Yeah, I'm gonna get dressed. I really need some therapy. Like, I really need some mental therapy.